bless your way, for all the love that comes to stay. May peace surround you through the years and wipe away your doubts and fears. May this rose fill your heart with joy and grace as you both start. May God protect you all your life, guide your days as man and Lord, as I stand here dressed in white, my heart is full, my spirit light. With grateful tears I softly say, thank you, Lord, for guiding me today.